wanted to copy my version of Mega Roster. You know where it is. So clone or download. Copy that URL. Go to your terminal, someplace you want to put it. So maybe inside your folder where all your projects are. And you can just say git clone and paste that in. But there's a problem. What if you make changes and you want to push? You don't have access to my repository to actually write changes. It's read-only to you. So instead, and I screwed something up here. There we go. You can hit this button up here, fork. Fork will copy this repo to your GitHub account. So you'll have your own fork of this. In other words, a separately maintained project that was copied from the original. So hit fork, fork it to your account. It takes a few seconds. And now I have destruce Mega Roster. So now if I clone that on my machine, I will be able to push it up to my version. Now, since you are the afternoon class, you have one slight complication here. This is going to be the morning branch by default, and it's the afternoon that you guys use. So when you clone this, git clone, paste this in. Now mine's called Mega Roster, yours probably is too. So if you put another argument here on the command line, you can tell it what folder to actually put this in. So let's call it DES dash Mega Roster. Those are my initials. There we go. Now if I look inside DES Mega Roster, I have the copy of my fork of this project. But I'm on the morning branch. So for you guys, to make sure that you're working from the way we left the code, it's just slightly different. You can type git checkout afternoon. And then you'll have the version that we did here in class. That's where I've been pushing all my changes. So since we're doing a whole lot in here today, if at the end of the day you want to keep working on it and you don't have your version caught up, you can just start working from a copy of mine. And even if you do have your own that you're keeping up, you could keep a local copy of mine so you can look at it and refer to it easily. So remember, every time I push then, you'll need to pull, and well, you'll be pulling from your fork. So you might wait to clone it until we're done today. Another time I can tell you how to add another remote so you can pull it from my copy even as you maintain your own fork. So for right now, just wait to fork it until the end of the class. And don't type this command.